So you may or may not know that carrot cake is one of my all-time favorite desserts, and you definitely know that I can't leave well enough alone. So although we're starting with carrots for this dessert today, we're going to do all kinds of other fun things to make it extra delicious and special.
The cupcake is pretty classic, with fresh carrots and warm spices, but then it's stuffed with pineapple and rum filling and topped with a coconut and vanilla buttercream frosting, giving it a Caribbean or Caribbean flair. Start by combining the flour, cinnamon, ginger, and nutmeg, salt, baking soda, and baking powder. Give it a good stir to mix the dry ingredients all together. Then, in a large mixing bowl, light brown sugar and a generous amount of butter get creamed together with a hand mixer. Then eggs are added and brought together with the hand mixer once again. Now, the finely grated carrots, chopped walnuts or pecans, or skip them all together if nuts aren't for you, milk and pure vanilla extract go into the bowl, and the hand mixer does the trick to mix it all well. Add the flour mixture gradually to the wet ingredients using the hand mixer to bring it all together again. Once there are no pockets of dry ingredients, fill the cupcake liners with batter and bake up those cupcakes. In the meantime, combine the finely diced fresh pineapple and brown sugar in a saucepan over medium-high heat and bring it to a low boil. Stir from time to time and allow almost all of the liquid to evaporate. Then add the rum and let it continue to boil for about 2 minutes. Remove from the heat and let it cool to room temp. In a large mixing bowl, whip the butter, shredded sweetened coconut, and vanilla extract. Or you can use vanilla paste, like I've used here, so that you can see the little bean specks. Now there's no difference in flavor between the two, just one has bean flecks and the other does not. And the price goes way up to see the bean flecks. That's the only difference. Then gradually add in the powdered sugar until it is sweet enough for your taste. Add more coconut or a tablespoon of coconut rum if you'd like to punch up the flavor a bit. And now to bring these Caribbean or Caribbean carrot cupcakes together, cut a hole about the size of a quarter in the top of each cupcake. Scoop out the cake and fill each of those cupcake holes with slightly boozy pineapple rum filling. About a tablespoon of filling should go into each one. Then pipe on the coconut and vanilla buttercream frosting. Put as much or as little as you'd like. Then add a bit more of the pineapple filling on top to garnish. Layers of yumminess to dig into.
Caribbean Carrot Cupcakes, however you want to call it. It's not island time to make these delights. You should have them on the table in less than 45 minutes.
Of course, you can find this recipe and many more at homewithshay.com. Shay Ryan, ABC Action News.